Hi guys, welcome to CAMRIN TV. I brought this from Trinland and today we're gonna unbox it. If you live in Cheapside Bay or if you want to come to the Q train, if you see the B train, the Q train B train is there. I have 8 empty subways and I unlocked the Q train, so the other train, so this is a new train. So we can't put this in the front of a wooden train. It's supposed to go in the back. They had changed the magnets because they put it a different way. So if you want to buy this train, go to Trainland or Train World or the Transit Museum to buy it. If you want to open it faster, ask a grown-up or an adult to open it. Here it is. The Q train, R46. Do you like it? You could buy it if you want. I have some of my trains in my collection. B train, A train, the Diamond F train, G train, and the D train, and the Amtrak, but it's not subway, and C train, and the E train. Then finally the Q train. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.